Orabrush Kit 1 tongue cleaner brush and 1 amazing product. My mate, my love, the wonderful father of my son, has halitosis. That's chronic bad breath for those who don't know. And since using this product twice a day, his breath almost smells good when he wakes up, in comparison. He also says he can taste again, which is even more amazing. I've also tried it and tastes are crisper. Apply an amount the size of your pinky nail to the brush, scrub lightly back and forth along your tongue and then scrape from the back straight to the front, rinsing the yucky yellow, brown gunk that comes of your tongue. Even those like myself that have red or pink tongues with no green-yellow film still produce this yucky yellow-brown gunk. It's like getting your carpet deep cleaned on a regular basis and finding out it's not really a brown rug. You got to try this, people. Oral-B EB10 1 Power Toothbrush Replacement Brush Head. Ages 3. Extra soft bristles are gentle on kids' teeth and gums. Raised row of blue bristles designed for cleaning chewing surfaces. Blue indicator bristles monitor brushing performance and brush head replacement. Decorated with the images of popular Disney princesses, this replacement brush head for kids fits all Braun Oral-B electric toothbrushes. Specifically designed for children, the brush head has extra soft, rounded bristles to protect against too firm brushing, with a longer row that cleans chewing surfaces. Colored indicator bristles fade to signal when the brush head needs replacing. The brush head comes with 3 removable color coding rings in various colors so a child can match the color code of a previous brush head. Fred Brack. OHSO Marco Pocket Toothbrush, Chrome. The ultimate travel toothbrush. Fill the handle with your favorite toothpaste, turn the knob to dispense, brush, and go. Colgate Spongebob Extra Soft Kids Toothbrush. Colgate Kids Spongebob SquarePants Manual Toothbrush is a fun way to encourage good oral care habits early on. It is specially designed for children with both baby and adult teeth. It is designed with a unique soft tongue cleaner on the back of the toothbrush head to clean beyond teeth, thumb grip, and rounded handle for a comfortable grip, and suction cup for easy and fun upright storage. Oral-B Pulsar 3D White Advanced Vivid Toothbrush Medium, Colors. Turn on a clean you can feel. Simply press the button on the Oral-B Pulsar 3D White Advanced Vivid Toothbrush to experience vibrating micropulse bristles that sweep away plaque and polish away stains on and between teeth. The most advanced manual toothbrush provides unique cleaning action that both whitens and cleans as part of your complete dental health regimen. Turn on a clean you can feel. Simply press the button on the Oral-B Pulsar and Trade, 3D White and Trade, Advanced Vivid Toothbrush to experience vibrating micropulse and trade, bristles that sweep away plaque and polish away stains on and between teeth. The most advanced manual toothbrush provides unique cleaning action that whitens and cleans as part of your complete dental health regimen. Electric vs battery. Choosing a battery-powered or electric toothbrush with so many electric toothbrush types available on the market, it's often difficult to select the right toothbrush for your own needs. First, let's distinguish between electric toothbrushes and battery-powered toothbrushes. Battery-powered toothbrush. Those who want a dose of power but are weary of electric toothbrushes may like a battery-powered toothbrush. Like electric toothbrushes, battery-powered toothbrushes are sometimes simply called power toothbrushes due to their use of a battery. While similar in design and cost to regular manual toothbrushes, battery-powered toothbrushes have just enough vibration to add some extra cleaning action. Rechargeable electric toothbrush. A rechargeable electric toothbrush, also known as a power toothbrush, is the kind you plug into the wall to recharge, keeping the handle and replacing the brush head every 3 months or so. Rechargeable electric toothbrushes differ among the kind of cleaning technology they use. such as oscillating, rotating, or sonic technology. Toothbrush features generally rich in technology and features. Electric toothbrushes provide many oral health benefits. Some can even enable you to improve your brushing habits. High-tech features include numerous brushing modes specialized for sensitive teeth, whitening benefits, or gum massaging action, pressure sensors to signal when you're brushing too hard, timers to help you keep track of how long you're brushing each quadrant of your mouth, oscillating, rotating, or sonic technology, multiple brush head compatibility so you can choose which kind of bristle design you prefer. Many electric toothbrushes also come with features for added convenience, like a brush head or toothbrush holder and bathroom counter storage units. Oral-B Complete 5-Way Clean Medium Toothbrush 2-Count. The Oral-B Complete 5-Way Clean Toothbrush has 5 cleaning zones and a 2.5x deeper reach. Each cleaning zone provides a distinct cleaning benefit, including hard-to-reach areas, in between teeth, whitening, along the gum line, and on the tongue and cheek. The toothbrush gives users a comfortable whole mouth clean experience and is easy and effortless to use. Panasonic Replacement Standard Brush WU0965W for EUDS90 Toothbrush. Panasonic Replacement Toothbrush Brushing Head for EUDS90P, EUDS90K, EUDS90S, EUDS90QP, EUDS90QK, EUDS90QS Toothbrush. Dentec Orabrush Liquid Gel Tongue Cleaner, 1.69 ounce. Introducing Orabrush Liquigel. With a cool mint flavor, Liquigel was specially formulated to enhance your tongue cleaning experience and reduce the amount of odor-causing bacteria found on your tongue. 12-pack Reach Crystal Clean Deep Dental Cleanse by Level. Crystal Clean Soft Toothbrushes by Reach help maintain healthy gums without irritation. Reach Soft Bristles Toothbrushes feature bi-level soft bristles that clean plaque along the gum line and from the tooth surface for an impressive overall clean. They help keep gums healthy by removing plaque and dental buildup for a superior cleanliness. Features bi-level deep cleaning soft bristles helps maintain healthy gums. Unique angled neck for hard to reach places. Various colors, selected randomly.